Hi everyone, in this video we are going to show you how a professional locksmith is coding a new Lincoln MKZ 2014 or 15, I'm not sure, but it's the same key fob on site for a customer who has lost all his keys. Now in addition we are going to show you also the designated spot where you should put the key fob while programming or adding an additional key fob. And one more important point, it is very important to mention and remember that if you lost all your keys, you must have a special machine to program a new key fob. There is no self-programming option for Lincoln key fobs. It must be done on site with a special machine connected to the OBD of the vehicle, as you can see in this video. Of course, if you have any questions, please comment below and we will answer. Thank you.
Hello everybody, we're working on a 2014 or 15 Lincoln MKZ. This is a smart key vehicle, push to start. We are adding in another key using our programmer. This is the programming slot right there. As you can see, if I take the key out, that's the outline of the key. So this is where you would lay it down to program a new key. And also if your battery died in the remote, that's where you lay it down for the car to sense it and start. So we're gonna go down to Lincoln. We're going to go to MKZ. She said it was a 14. It's a keyless. Continue. We're going to add a keyless remote. Ignition is off. Total keys are 2 in the system. And it's going to make us wait 10 minutes for the programming to go through. Once the 10 minutes is over, the vehicle is going to sync that key in right there. And we're going to get a working remote just like this one, all the buttons, and the car will start. So once again, 2014-15 Lincoln MKZ push to start, programming a brand new for the vehicle. Thanks for watching.